Hello, Kevin from K&D Auto Spa. I'm going to show you a quick way to get some dirt out of your floor mats that you don't think is there, but it really is. First, what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum, then we're going to turn it over and we're going to blow it out. Show you real quick. Now that we got it vacuumed, got most of the dirt off, now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. As you can see, the table's clean. You flip it over, get your air gun. You can use a tornado, that's your best bet. You can use any air gun, whatever you can, get real close. You're going to spray to the back of the mat. One more quick spray before we're done. You lift it up. As you can see, all this dirt here, that's from the mat. And we vacuumed the mat first. That's how much dirt's in your floor mats. As you can see, all that dirt was there. Now we'll go ahead and vacuum it and we'll be done.